Okay, for those of you who weren't here on Monday, I'm going to go through exactly what you need to do to complete this Defixiones project. The rubric, along with a video that provides a little historical context, is to be found in the Monday folder, right? Monday 11/12. Scroll down in the document that contains the rubric and you will find the following template. Basically, this walks you through creating a Latin sentence that you will carve on your tablet. The verb of the sentence is given to you. Dedico means I dedicate. And the point here is to dedicate the person that you are cursing, their name in the accusative case, to a god or goddess of the underworld, and that god or goddess needs to be in the dative case. So, to the god I dedicate so-and-so. You'll go on to specify the nature of the offense in the form of a qui clause, who did the following, or a quod or quia clause, because they did something. The verb that describes what they did will be in the perfect tense. All right? Specify punishments if you choose, but get in touch with me before you do, because you'll need to use a special form of the verb called the subjunctive. We use this form to describe actions that aren't happening now, but should. So what you want to happen to someone. Voces magicae, magical words, typically are carved on these mysterious words that don't really mean anything. I gave you 3 options here. Come up with anything you like. And weird magical dingbats, caracteres, to make it look spooky. All right, as I said in the rubric, and as you read in the culture section, many of the words will have the order of the letters inverted. The words in the sentence will be in the proper order, but the letters in each word will be written backwards. Okay, so here's the template as I filled it out in class on Wednesday. As I said, I'm going to curse the guy who backed into my car with his truck and drove off sometime last winter. So you start with the God to whom you are dedicating, right? This is the God who's going to punish this person. Dis pater is the Roman god of the underworld. Here he's in the dative case, diti patri, dative. So I dedicate, dedico, to dis pater, diti patri. I don't know the guy's name, so I put eum, him, who, that guy who, he who, curum meum plaustro percussit. What did he do? Percussit. He struck my car, literally my chariot. My chariot happens to be a Toyota Camry. Plaustro. He struck it, ablative of means, with his wagon. His wagon was a Dodge Ram pickup. All right, nature of the offense, right? That's what he did. The man, he who struck my car with his truck. And then specific punishments, perdantur claves ilius plaustri. I want the keys of his truck or of that truck to be lost. Now, perdo means to lose, perdere. This is a subjunctive. Perdantur, let the keys be lost. Ut nusquam inveniri possint. This is grammar we're going to get to in just a couple of chapters, and maybe I'll return to this curse tablet when we do. So that they are able to be found nowhere. So I want him to lose his keys to his truck so that he can't find them anywhere. All right, all that's left now, magical words, voces magicae. So I took 2 from the book, from a real curse tablet, fricks, frocks, whatever that means, and then I took something that my neighbor up in Providence used to say, boom bada bing. Doesn't really mean anything, just something you say for emphasis. And then caracteres, I just picked some dingbats because I was typing at the bottom of the thing. All right, boom bada bing, there's my curse tablet in its template form. Next, I'm going to show you how to put it onto the lead. So, lead's toxic. Instead of lead, we're going to use tin foil, which I'm sure you have around the house. Take a piece of tin foil about so big, about the amount you'd put on a cookie sheet. Fold it in half, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 times. Then you just take a sharp pencil and you write your curse out onto the tin foil. All right, the dull side works a little better than the shiny side, but it's up to you. Notice that I wrote some of the words forwards, right? Diti patri dedico, but that I put the sentences in this creepy backwards thing. Eum, qui, curum, meum, plaustro, percussit, right? Each word in the sentence is in the same order, but the letters in each word have been reversed. It's up to you how much you put in this creepy magic format, but you have to do some of it because they always did. Finally, magic words, fricks, frocks, boom, bada, bing, and at the bottom, caracteres, mystical symbols. You can put those anywhere you like. All right, it really doesn't matter. Take a picture of your finished defixio and submit it to the assignment that I will post on Monday. I'll put together a collage of these things and post them back up in Schoology for everybody to see. Anyway, that's all for now. Happy cursing. Email me if you have any questions.